So for this video, we're going to be replacing my standard outlet with a outlet that has a built-in Type-C and just a regular USB that says Class 2 there. So this should be a nice addition to the bedroom that we have. So let's get started. At the breaker panel box, I have my breakers pre-labeled, and the guest bedroom downstairs is B26. So we will turn off B26. So A is on top of my house, B is on the bottom. Now let's go install that new electrical outlet. First, I'm going to remove the faceplate. Now I'll remove the outlet itself. As you can see, we have one black wire and one neutral wire, which is the white wire, and then we have our ground, which is just the bare copper. And on our new outlet, we have, it says hot right here. So the black wire will go right here. This says white. So the white wire will go right here. And then we have the green screw where the ground wire will go. So now I'm going to cut my wires here. And then for the ground wire, I'll just undo the screw. And now I'll strip these wires for the insulation that I need. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the ground wire first. Actually, it looks like I can install it straight on rather than wrapping it around, so I will do that. Get down there really tight. And then on the right side over here is the white wire. So I'll do that since it's a little bit farther away for me. Pull on it a little bit, make sure it doesn't pop out. And then on this side we have the black wire, which is the hot wire. Again, pull on all the wires one more time before you screw it in, just to make sure. screw it back in here. Just do a little bit at the top, get it started. Do a little bit at the bottom. Then we'll put the faceplate back on. Okay. And now we're going to turn the breaker back on. See if we have power. Now we're going to turn the breaker back on and go downstairs and make sure the outlet works properly. So as you can see by using this socket tester, the two green here are lit up, which means that I've wired it correctly and I do have power to the outlet. I will also test the USB here. See if we got power. Yes, we have power. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, please click like. Thank you and see you next time.